Hello guys and welcome to Trade with Raymond. As you know, my videos are strictly for education. However, as usual, if you want to laugh, just find something there that can help you laugh. Today I'm talking the Ghanaian Cedi. Is there hope for the Cedi? What has been done in the past and what can be done to save the Cedi? Let's go to our screen and look at technical analysis. Hello, hello and welcome to the chart. This is the chart of USD Ghanaian cedi. So what you see here is 12.35 or 12 spot 35 or 12 cedis 35 pesos. One cedi, $1, $1 gets you this. We have seen a depreciation in the cedi way back 2019, which is a very we started a significant one started around that time, and then we started moving gradually through COVID. It was a bit stable, and then the start of 2022 we saw this quick rise. There was a window, a gap. However, the gap was covered. Okay, and that is what we have now. The cedi continues to get weaker and weaker every day. This is the weekly chart, meaning that this was the behavior of last week, the week before that, the week before then. So we have had 1, 2, 3, 4 green weeks. Okay, 4 green weeks. So what is happening here is that we have seen successive good weekly closes, meaning that the cedi is likely to go back and visit a ceiling zone or a resistance zone around 12 cedi 60p. In the month of February, we expect this to happen. From a technical perspective, I'm going to put in a tool to help us analyze further the behavior of this currency, the Ghanaian cedi. My favorite tool is called the Ichimoku. It's Japanese, works nicely. Currently, the cedi is above the cloud, meaning that the dollar is going to continue to be stronger each day. We have what we call the lagging line or the style. We have the baseline or the kijun strongly begin to tick up. We have a bit of capitulation with the thinking, but it's not very relevant because it can change within the day and begin to look up again. And then we have this cloud forming. It's the start of a bullish cloud, and it looks like it is getting bigger by the week. This is to say that I am expecting the month of February to have a positive performance. I'm looking at the cedi becoming weaker based on the structure I'm seeing here. So let me look at it on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, the story is the same. Last month, that is January, ended with a very strong candle. So the next top that will be attempted will be the 12.60 peso area. That's $1 will be equal to 12 cedi 60p. So in the month of February, I'm expecting the cedi to fall further and the dollar to gain a lot more strength. I am looking at this strictly from the technical perspective, what the chart information is giving. All right, so cedi is expected to drown further. Now, there are reasons, a lot of fundamental reasons you can find in text that I'm not really interested in much of them, but I want to look at a correlation effect. So I'm going to take this chart, this particular chart. Looking at this chart, okay, and for information, the charting was provided by TradingView, and same here. You have the cedi continually falling to this percentage, and then you have gold rising to this percentage. There is a major lack of correlation between gold and Cedi, and yet we are in the Gold Coast. So it's important that central banks begin to think about how increasing gold stock can gradually improve the outlook of their currency. For example, in China in 2023, the Chinese central bank increased their gold purchase by 30 solid percent, 30%. In 2023, Chinese central bank increased gold purchase by 30%. This is because a gold-backed currency performs better. Around the world, central banks have increased their gold purchase together by 1,037 tons, by 1,037 tons of gold. And this is to say that the more gold you have, the better it is for you. And so this correlation keeps, so anytime gold begins to currently gold begins to go up further, we are likely to have a struggle because there's really no correlation. And if we can improve the correlational outlook by stocking gold by our central banks, we can see some light. For example, let me show you this example quickly. This is the situation with Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, the Australian dollar is most of the time we call it the commodity currency. You look at how gold is able to mimic its behavior. So when gold gains value, you see them also in that light. And then when it begins to fall, you see them also. So there's some reasonable correlation to at least a reasonable percentage behavior between gold and Aussie dollar. However, when it comes to the Cedi, it is not. And this is bad news. And to ensure stability, looking at it from a technical perspective, stocking gold by a central bank will help to improve the outlook of the Cedi. However, for now, the Cedi is in trouble. There's no hope for it now. And the month of February is not, I don't expect it to be good for the Cedi from the technical outlook of the market. Fundamental analysts may say differently, that's fine, but this is what the technicals say. At the end of the day, the technicals win. Thanks for watching. Share this video, ask your questions, and for those who have subscribed for our free course, we'll soon send you the link, and then you can get to join on the planned date. Thank you. Bye-bye.